Remember when you could read for hours, play outside all day, or just sit still and think? Now, you can't even focus on a 10-second video. Your brain has been hijacked. Hijacked by apps, screens, and instant pleasure. But it's not your fault. The system was designed to break your focus. But here's how to take it back and reprogram your brain to focus like a monk. Your brain was not built for this. Your brain was designed to hunt, survive, build, and bond. But now it's flooded every second with flashing notifications, short videos, clickbait, and dopamine overload. What does that do? It rewires your brain for stimulation, not attention. It teaches you this. If something isn't exciting in 3 seconds, skip it. You've trained your brain to avoid silence, stillness, boredom. But those are the exact states where deep focus and powerful thinking happen. The dopamine trap. Every time you check your phone, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine. Feels good, right? That's the problem. Over time, you need more stimulation to feel the same level of interest. A 2-hour movie feels boring. But you'll scroll through 400 TikToks in one night. That's not entertainment, that's addiction. Your focus isn't broken. It's been stolen. How you are training yourself to lose focus. Think about your habits. You wake up, phone. Shower, music. Eat, YouTube. Study. Tabs open, music, phone beside you. You're never alone with your thoughts. That means your brain never practices focus. Just like muscles, focus dies without exercise. You've been training yourself to be distracted. Now it's time to reverse that. Step 1. The Dopamine Detox. For 7 days, do this. No short-form videos. No background music while working. No notifications. No switching between tabs every 5 minutes. At first, you'll feel bored, anxious, even irritated. That's withdrawal. But after 3-4 days, your brain starts to adjust. You'll feel calmer, clearer, and for the first time in months, you'll actually want to focus. Step 2. Rebuild your focus muscle. Start with 15 minutes a day of pure, deep work. No music, no tabs, no phone. Just one task: writing, reading, planning, studying. Then stretch it to 30. Then 45. Soon you'll be able to do what most can't. Sit in silence and think clearly. That's a superpower now. And it makes you unstoppable. Step 3. Replace mindless with meaningful. The enemy of focus is meaningless stimulation. So replace it. Instead of TikTok, read 10 pages. Instead of Reels, go for a walk. Instead of junk scrolling, write your thoughts down. You can't just quit distractions. You have to replace them with something that builds you. If this video woke you up, don't scroll to the next dopamine hit. Comment "taking my mind back" below. Subscribe for more content that fixes you, not breaks you. And remember, you weren't born broken. You were trained to be distracted. But now you're training to be focused.